Two countries, two visions of the world. One has the most powerful military in history. The other has the fastest growing economy on Earth. What happens when they collide? This is China versus USA. The full picture. It starts with money. In 2000, China's economy was 12% the size of America's. Today, it's almost equal. Some economists say China will overtake the US by 2030. That's not a prediction. That's a trend line. But economy is just the beginning. China makes 80% of the world's electronics. Your phone, your laptop, your headphones, almost certainly made in China. America buys more from China than any other country. $1.5 trillion every single year. So they need each other, but they don't trust each other. Taiwan is the flashpoint. A small island, 23 million people. China says Taiwan belongs to them. America says Taiwan has the right to choose. Taiwan makes 90% of the world's most advanced microchips. Without them, no modern weapons, no smartphones, no AI. Whoever controls Taiwan controls the future. 2022. China runs military drills around Taiwan. 100 warships, fighter jets, missiles aimed at the island. America sends warships through the Taiwan Strait. Both sides are sending a message. Neither side blinks. In space, the race is back. America returned to the moon in 2024. China plans to land there by 2030. Both nations want permanent bases. The moon has minerals worth trillions. And whoever controls the moon controls what comes after. In the ocean, the South China Sea. China has built artificial islands with military bases. America says the sea belongs to everyone. 7 countries dispute the waters. Every week, close encounters between ships and aircraft. No shots fired, but the tension is real. Technology is the new battlefield. America banned Chinese tech companies from its networks. China banned American platforms. Google, Facebook, YouTube. 2 separate internets. 2 separate realities. Half the world on one side, half on the other. And then there's the military. America spends $900 billion a year on defense. China spends $225 billion, but growing 7% every year. At that rate, they match America within 20 years. China now has the world's largest navy by number of ships. America still leads in technology and global reach, but the gap is closing. Fast. Here's what most people miss. A war between China and America wouldn't just affect them. Every country on Earth takes a side. Global trade stops. Supply chains collapse. The world economy loses $10 trillion in the first year alone. That's why both sides are careful. They compete. They threaten. They push. But they haven't crossed the line because they both know what's on the other side. So where does this end? Nobody knows. But the next 10 years will decide it. The technology race. The Taiwan question. The ocean disputes. One thing is certain. The world you live in by 2035 will look very different from today. Write in the comments, who wins this rivalry, China or America? And subscribe. Next scenario in 2 days.